Let's dive into a new problem. It's about two friends, Imran and Kartik. They have 5 chocolate bars to share equally. I wonder how they could do that. Can you help them figure out a fair way to share the chocolates? Before you start, is there anything you would like to ask to understand the problem better? Yes, great question, Tina. They want to share the chocolates equally, so both of them should get the same amount. Yes, Rohan, absolutely. If breaking the chocolate bars helps them share equally, they can do that. Any other questions? Yes, Priya. You can choose whatever helps you think: real chocolate bars, paper strips, or if you prefer, you can just draw. Use what works best for you. Wonderful question, Aisha. Try to find more than one way to solve it. When we solve problems, trying different methods helps us learn more. Today, let's see if you can find method 1, method 2, and maybe even a method 3. Now, pause the video and see how you would share the chocolates equally. Take your time, and we will be right back. All right. Welcome back. Let's see what you discovered. Navjot, what did you find? All right, you gave 2 chocolate bars to each. So Imran gets 2 chocolates, and Kartik gets 2 chocolates. That is a good start. But we have one more left. What should we do with that last chocolate bar? Great idea, Rohan. You suggested splitting it into 2 pieces and giving each person 1 piece. Like this? Imran gets 1 piece, and Kartik gets the other one. Is it not fair? How do you know? Excellent explanation. The 2 pieces are not equal. Rohan, you mean to cut it into 2 equal parts like this? How can we be sure they are exactly equal? Great idea. We can put 1 piece over the other. If they exactly overlap, then they are equal. Now, we have 2 equal pieces. So, when we divide something into 2 equal parts, what do we call each part? Any guesses? Yes. When something is divided into 2 equal parts, each part is called a half. Remember, the 2 parts must be exactly equal. So, Imran and Kartik each get 2½ chocolate bars. Can someone tell me how many halves make a whole? Exactly. 2 halves make a whole. Wow! You all are doing great so far. Does anyone have a different method to share? Aha! Interesting idea, Rita. So you imagine paper strips as chocolate bars? And you are suggesting that we divide all 5 chocolate bars into 2 equal parts right from the start. Shall we see what happens when we do that? So, if we do that, we get 10 equal parts. And if we share those 10 equal parts equally between Imran and Kartik, how many parts does each of them get? Exactly. 5 parts each. Now, let's think about what those 5 parts mean. If 2 parts make 1 whole chocolate bar, then each person's 5 parts will make 2 whole chocolate bars and 1 extra part. And what does that extra part represent? Yes, it's half of a chocolate bar. So, when we divide all the chocolates into 10 equal parts, Imran and Kartik each get 5 parts. That means they both have 2 whole chocolate bars and half of a chocolate bar. Do you see how this method also gives them a fair share of 2½ chocolate bars each? Fantastic thinking, everyone! You found 2 different methods to share the chocolates fairly. Keep practicing, and remember, trying new methods helps you become a better problem solver. See you in the next lesson.